How Wejibwemojig Conjugation condition of cause, aka Captain Ojibwe. Ojibwa can do day. I want to show you something that Carmen Hansen and Mike Bunker showed me. Now, other people are doing this as well, but I want you to see it. This video is for intermediate or advanced, maybe beginners, I don't know. But this is for people that almost know all the basic VTA conjugations, but they can't quite get it all down pat. Now, here's the final product. If you want to stop your video and look at these and write these down or something, you can. But I'm going to go to the beginning of the logic behind all of this. Okay, so in the VTA independent form, there are 32 basic conjugations. Now, they're the foundation. Pretty much everything else is based on these basic 32 conjugations. We take this row. I see him, you see him, she sees him or them. We see him, but not you. We see him, including you, so on and so on down the line. But here's the plural object, Wejibwemojig. I see him, Wejibwemojig. I see them, Wejibwemojig. Notice that ni and is both visible in this column with the plural object. Same for every one of these. You can see the conjugation within these conjugations. All right. So you could argue, I'm an intermediate learner. I basically know all of these. I can get rid of this column because you can see them within this. So when I'm studying, I'm saying Wejibwemojig. I know that Wejibwemojig is we to him, and Wejibwemojig is we to them. We see them. But I don't need this column anymore because it's built inside the plural object form. So I'm going to get rid of A in just a minute. Now, if you want to flip directions or mirror it, you can just meaning change directions. Like I see him, Wejibwemojig. He sees me, Wejibwemojig. Oh, wait, hold on for a minute. Let me show you something else here. All right. This is the opposite direction. Instead of I see him, he sees me. Instead of I see them, they see me. So column C is the opposite direction of these. The column B is like first person to second person to third person to fourth person. But when you flip it around, it goes the other way. It goes 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. So like I see him, Wejibwemojig. He sees me, Wejibwemojig. I see them, Wejibwemojig. They see me, Wejibwemojig. Can you see all of these conjugations within this next column? There's ig, there's ig, ge-ig, o-igun, split a little bit, but it's there. Ni-igunan. And this one's the plural over there. So, yeah, I can get rid of column A and column B because they're visible. And when I practice them, it reminds me of the singular object. And these ones are the plural. So let's get rid of column A and column C because it's still visible in the other one. We're gonna get rid of those columns and move these ones over. All right. So I reduced 32 independent conjugations, VTA, to 16. Easier study. Can we do that with conjunct? Why, sure. Not quite as neat, but it'll do it as well. So ug is over here, ud is over there, odd is over there, but it's split a little bit, but it's still there. Ungid is there, etc. But down here, this one doesn't. That's why they're gray. They don't do that. You just got to tough these ones out. Does it work for the flip direction? Mirrored direction? Yeah. Ik is over here, all the way down, except these ones are a little bit different. I want to get rid of column A and C. Just remember, though, Inan's going to disappear. You won't see it in there. You just have to memorize it. You already got it memorized. While Minon is a basic standard one to memorize. So even though if I get rid of column A and C, or this one won't show up and this one won't. We just got to remember Iguyan, which is plural, is Iguyeg. Iyan is plural object, is or perhaps plural subject is Iyan changes to Iyeg. These ones are the same, serving different two purposes, but you'll see it again. Anyways, I'm gonna get rid of A and C. Just remember these ones, tough it up. Because when the going gets tough, the tough get skoden. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of them, move them over. There they are. I went from 32 conjunct flashcards down to 16. So let's take these 16 and put them next to the independent. So now we have the independent. This row is the mirrored image, opposite direction of these ones, independent. And these ones are the opposite direction of these ones in the conjunct form. One could even go and argue that since this is a mirrored image of that, I can just study column B because it reminds me, or it makes me remember that ig is ah. All of the ahs were switched by igo to switch directions. Ah becomes igo when you're switching directions. Ah, igo. Not so much down here, you just got to memorize them, tough these ones out. You might want to get a set of flashcards just for these 8. Then you have 5 sets of 8. But this is the final study on the sacred 8s. You get these down. Alrighty, then that's about all I want to say. So when they're telling me too to make sure that the mirrored image opposite direction on your charts, if you're making wall charts, put the opposite direction right next to the frontwards directions. This column goes first to second to third to fourth person, and this one goes opposite direction, goes 4 to 3, 2 to 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same over here. This one goes conjunct. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. First person to second person, third person, fourth person perspective. This one over here goes opposite direction. 4 to 3 to 2 to 1. If you put them together, you can see how they're related to each other, and that gets the brain going. Your brain can build more synaptic maps in the brain. Anyways, we reduced the study from 64 down to 32 final flashcards. All right. Misa yo, mi manik, oikidoyan.